Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by putting the watch on and making sure it's charged above 30% so tracking isn't interrupted. Open the Sleep app on your iPhone or tap Sleep on the watch. Then create a sleep schedule with bedtime and wake time. Set a consistent schedule. This helps the watch detect sleep stages. Once done, enable sleep mode and make sure Track Sleep with Apple Watch is toggled in your health settings so the device records movement and heart rate automatically. Next, you fine-tune sensors and permissions so data is accurate. On the iPhone, enable wrist detection and allow motion and fitness access. This lets the watch infer when you're asleep from movement and heart rate changes. If you have blood oxygen, enable it for extra context. Customize wind down time and haptic alerts so disturbances stop before sleep. Set Do Not Disturb or Sleep Focus to silence notifications. Each morning, open the Health app to review your sleep summary, duration, time asleep, and trends over days. This tells you what changed and why. If data doesn't appear, first check Bluetooth and that the watch is paired. Restart both devices and allow a few minutes to sync. If tracking feels inaccurate, make sure the watch is snug and wrist detection is on. Re-enable Track Sleep in the watch app if needed. One key tip: reboot both devices before repairing to clear sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.